Good morning, my dear students. Ngasi takadusna ngarang makhato diko question number 5 yung the daily wages of a full-timer and a part-timer are rupees 160 and 120 respectively. Haidi nomogi kusuman se full-timer maga part-timer maga se matam kharagi yaupuduna part-timer kawi full-timer asina dum full-wendi yaupuko. Asigumba kusuman se amana chamaga upu amana chamaga kunne na haire. If their wages were increased by an equal amount, the full-timers' wages becomes 5 by 6, 6 by 5 of the part-timers' wages. Abdi full-timer to the part-timer to the moji daily wages la kara hengka pumatam da hengka mina pumatam da full-timers is 6 by 5 pa part-timer to the wages to manar eva kong. Adudi find the increase in their wages. Hare. Ekwana X na question number 5 ni ko. Solution. Rupees X na X be the increase in their wages nena loro ko. Mukuli wages ta ito pase X nena loro. Then by question wahang dagi kay laki puse x plus 160 siga 6 by 5 of x plus 120 si wagene ba ko question this one shemani ko adudi sinap sida course toro 5x plus sinas the puntanda 0 ma taruk mga kunsa nipan sidare ko taruk sinas the puriro 6x plus 720 sidai ko adudi sina 800 sina som thang ose 20 6x minus 5x haro adudi anji khadong x ka tare therefore x is equal to 80 time. Adna, makhoi daily wages se hankale share. Therefore, the increase in their wages is rupees 80 na. The variation might be the Nikon. Here we go. Question number 60 and say. The base of a triangle is 2/5 of its altitude. Habadi base of a triangle se magi altitude ki saruk manga thopaki ani ne ba. If the base is increased by 2 cm and the altitude by 1.5 cm, the area increased by 34 cm square. And the base and the altitude of the triangle had gone. Aduna kwena altitude sigi base altitude sigi sarung mga thupugi ani ne haibani na altitude to x ne haina lokse ko question number 6 let x be the altitude of the triangle rugi altitudinal logical. Then its base kaya wala ni abadi 2 by 5 of x. Si wala never form. Ado di. Therefore, area kanang managani area of the triangle se half base into altitude ni base ni 2 by 5 x into altitude x. Tuga ka nga bro. Ado di x square by 5 level ko. Tumiko x square by 5 level ni rita di. Man haje by question 1 dagi pwena kailay. Sige half of x ta kaya hinta pa base kaya hinta pa hai ba question do base ta altitude na base da ani hinga pai ko base kaya size 2 by 5 x plus 2 hingat ba aduga altitude chitana kaya hinga pa plus 1.5 hingat pa ni ko adu taragadi x square by 5 ska kaya hinga leba 34 cm square hinga leba ko sida yung 2 sima kamal lagwani sidagi 1 by 2 into 2 kamal lagwani sida la hebadi se x plus 1 by 5 ama into x plus 1.5 ama aduga sina x square by 5 sida 5 kamaloro aduga se mga mari kun ngong tranga tate simle jani sida makana jani ko aduga giche makha se 5 le jani se ni puri na ro x square ma plus 1.5 x sama plus x sama si 5 오이 그다음에 5 오이 그다음에 고 그럼 이 변호도 LCM 로 보면 좀 1 to 5 나가니까 ಅದನ್ನ से 5x plus 7.5 similarly is equal to x square plus 170 similarly by 5 sida 5 लाख की दिखाएंगे सिगी 2 का मतलब खाना x plus x by 5 plus 1 लेके तो हमने अगर 5 से एल्शियम लोगों में तमदा x समले गनी सिदी 1 ना 5 के लगी 5 ठुंगनी को स्माइल लाके तो हमने अदों से मखारी डिनोमिनेटर अनि सिं काना रो सिमगा सिमजु काना रो दो तार गदी तो मुखला के को सिदा सिगी मखाता रपता से नि जितिन सनारो implies that 6.5x lerani amana song se 170 sidagi minus 7.5 sima adigi se therefore x is equal to si thailong na ga kya tare 5 on yarni 0.2 ma 6 ma by 65 6.5 cd point ka mo mano di 1625 by 65 cd 25 thune ko aduna altitude से 25 सेंटीमीटर वर्णी therefore से 2 by 5 of x है से 2 by 5 of 25 is equal to sinus lekadi mga tinge ang tiyan tari ko maram aduna base क्या वरे therefore base equal to 10 centimeter and the altitude equal to 25 centimeter highness my tariko sini sub question number 7 the high say the numerator of a rational number is 5 more than its denominator if 3 is added to the fraction the new fraction is equivalent to 4 number 1 by 3 find the original fraction hariko habadi numerator na rational number amagi id fraction amagi numerator china denominator dagi manga hel hebne ko adu tardi aikoina x na numerator dunia na lower c denominator kya hoigani s plus 5 hoigani ko question number 7 say let x be the numerator of the fraction or rational number has a fraction sini adigi then its denominator से क्या होगा नहीं ada s plus 5 ने को sutra mga heli ni ko tumbro numerator na then cuma dia soy ka ba numerator ne hen bani na ko adu ya for the original fraction original fraction से क्या वर्गुण है x by x minus 5 से को by question वहाँ लगी कई लाके वो कोई s plus s by x minus 5 सीधा plus क्या 3 तीन के लबदी क्या माने बा 4 whole number 1 by 3 के माने है देखो सुन तो क्वेश्चन जा 3 हैं कतार बदी है तो अभी जिसे x by x minus 5 ले रो सिना मरी हम ट्राई हो त्राउ हम दो तारीख को सिदा अहुम minus 3 सिन समझो कांदा अभी जिसे x by x minus 5 is equal to 3 ले रहे सिना 13 minus 9 9 को अभी दी मतलब कि मुझे लगे तो अदुगा कहीं लागे वो प्रोजेक्ट से implies that C3 सिना सोम पुरी रो price x सिखाई दोनों का द 4 टाइप 4 दुगे सिल पुरी नरदी 4x minus 20 सिखाई को अभी जिसे 20 सिना सोम दलाओ 4x minus 3x को अभी दिया 4 x equal to 20 तारे x ना 20 ताता दी therefore the original fraction is equal to 20 by 20 minus 5 I will be 20 by 15 तारे को क्या तारे को question number 8 तक करे है The difference between the squares of two consecutive integers is 47. Find the numbers. है को थंगना लेबा integer अनि से cd square सी केना बसे 47 ने अदुदि मसिंग हंगो कया कया नो पुथु सिनि को अदुदि से question number 8 नि को solution let x and the x plus 1 है सिना be the two consecutive integers ani do sini na loro by question wahang lagi ekona sini hena saubani thangna bade aduna x plus 1 di 14 square minus x square से 47 से माने है नहीं अदु जिसे a plus b whole square फॉर्मूला सादो x square plus 2x plus 1 अन ले नहीं minus x square मा अदु 47 सीधे करना नहीं अदु जिसे 2x is equal to 47 minus 1 therefore x को तो कहता है 46 तारे से 2 में ये लेनी 23 तारीख को मधुना x plus 1 की क्या हुआ है 23 plus 1 equal to 24 so therefore the required numbers are 23 and 24 I can say what it call question number 9 the question number 9 says the ratio of the years of two sisters is 3:7 नहीं है जिमनाउ अनी की सही से ratio से 3:7 नहीं in 10 years the ratio of their ages becomes 2:3 सही तरह की मनुंगा मोई ratio से अमु क्या वर्के बो 2:3 वेले को अदु इतारगदी मकोगी present ages सिंग पुथुआ बने को माना pyramid ratios da ekona 3:7 ne harabani na question number 9 solution ko let price x and 7x be the present ages of the two sisters Now, ani duki present ages se sini na loro buko. Then, may kari lakada ke bo se by question wahang di matungin na चही तरा की मतुंगदी मखोई चही से क्या ओरकने हबा से थ्राइस x plus 10 tinjalani sida 7x plus 10 amu tinjalani adugu orakpari so that 2:3 ni habne ba suman se mani equation do ko adu dise 3 sina thrice x plus 10 sida kuriro adugu 2 sida 7x plus 10 singo kuriro adu dise sina 9x plus 30 imlarani is equal to 14x plus 20 in learning. Adudi CD 30 level nakal sida 20 puro sina 14x sida gi minus 9x na khaibo. Adudi implies that se a nam lere si 5x ni ko therefore x ko do ke haita ragadi n by 5 habadi 2 dare ko x me 2 dare badi therefore thrice x is equal to 3 into 2 had is 6 later and 7x had is 7 into 2 equal to 14 direct. Therefore present ages of the two sisters are 6 years and 14 years na my target ko correct ko sir adagi last ki question number 10 se matsi meeting sai hot ki duga hathim manai ko the numerator of a fraction is 7 less than the denominator if 1 and the 1/3 is added to it the fraction becomes 14 by 9 habne ko adi di khoina sai ki tumaina denominator to na numerator dagi numerator na and pika do ni ko ndi x na magi denominator ne na lawro in let x be the denominator of the fraction logi denominator lunena lawro then is numerator se kya hoigani x minus 7 hoigani ko 7 hunde hai bana to numerator is of a fraction 7 less than is denominator so me already therefore the original fraction की क्या होगा नहीं x minus 7 by x को अदुदी कोना by question अंगदी से 7 अरुपा cx को sida kana tinjalakpa 1 whole number 1 by 3 ji tinjalakanda kaya whatever 14 by 9 see what happened ko adi this x minus 7 by x zero plus 4 by 3 later is equal to 14 by 9 later implies that from the topic x minus 7 by x later simana 14 by 9 minus 4 by 3 later ko already kind of like that implies that x by 7 divided by x from kisi 9 later 14 minus 12 tare ko 3 not 90 and kan 3 to me 3 from that 12 adi this implies that 9 sina from the x minus 7 sina adu sina khayong ga 2 by 2 x ko puri ni ko adi 9x minus 63 is equal to twice x later adu this kya tare 7x is equal to 7x and samang re 9x minus twice x na o 63 later ko implies that 7x equal to 63 therefore x is equal to 63 by 7 I give 9 tare ko x na 930. Therefore, the required original fraction. Original fraction से क्या ताकि वो से 9 minus 7 by 9 everything 2 by 9 तारे सिद्ध लोये को अगला सिगी सी मतंग सिद्ध लोये सिद्ध की दिन लोगी अतः सी Polaroid सी को सेक्टर अनु बम होंगे नो बताओ सी को okay let us finish for today